Small actions will get you progress. A lot of us as humans think of things so holistically in this big vision and get overwhelmed in it. If you have not set up small processes in alignment with the big goals, you are missing out on productivity and being efficient. So how do we align this? How do we step into this space? It's by taking a look at that big intention, that big commitment that you have, and breaking it down into small daily actions that will move you forward. And I said daily actions. There's things that you can take and move through every single day to get you to where you want to go. So you need to figure out what that looks like. So let's give the prime example, and the easiest one in our lives is our health. So our choices daily to drink more water, to eat different foods, to be snacking, to maybe incorporate protein shakes or incorporate workouts or stretching or yoga or meditation. But as you can see, like, there's this holistic thing that needs to happen. So let's say the end goal is to get to your optimal health, or to fit into those jeans, or to release whatever it is to do, or to gain 10 pounds of muscle. You need to now allot time into thinking about what are the daily actions, how do you create a system around those daily actions so that you can step into the space to execute the goal. Most of us only see the end result. We are not thinking in the present time, right now, in this moment, in this day, and how you can move that needle slightly to get to the other side. So that's what I challenge you on today, is taking a look at what is it that you want to do in your life. And maybe it's changing careers. Maybe it's that you need to spend half an hour a day looking up different jobs, or working on your resume, or making calls to connectors in your life that might know people that are hiring. So do you see kind of where I'm coming from with that? Some of us are just so scared to step into those actions, because then we might actually have to do something, and then we might actually have to own the space that we're in, and then we might actually get the goals that we've positioned. That's crazy, huh? So I'm at day 15 today. This is the 15th day today that I have been working out in a row. I decided to make a commitment to make this happen, to go to the gym every single day. And I have. Some days have been hard, trust me, really hard. But other days it kind of just feels like I'm super connected to the goal. And I look forward to keeping this transition in my life and to keeping this habit that I'm creating. So what habits do you need to create to make progress on your goals, to move them forward, and to get the life that you want to live? Step in, guys. You got this. Let's go make it happen. Happy Monday.